Hello traders, I am here with the good news that the new MACD indicator is released yesterday and I am going to make a video on this one. So might be you have not seen that video before. So guys, please make sure that you subscribe the YouTube channel so that you should be a part of the latest things that are happening into the Forex, crypto and the stock market, because this is the only channel which is going to bring the indicators very soon in front of you. So before I start this video and attach the indicator on my screen, so let me introduce myself. I'm a price action coach. I have a special 1 hour coaching program. If you're willing to book your 1 hour session with me, the link of the Telegram channel is given in the description of this video below. And guys, if you're willing to join the best broker that I personally use, and this is the regulated broker that offers you a variety of trading accounts, you can join this broker from the description of this video below. Okay guys, now let's move towards our strategy. As I have told you that this is the new MACD, so we are going to write MACD overlay on TradingView. And when you write MACD overlay on TradingView, then you will see that this indicator will come that is called MACD and RSI overlay expo by Zeerman. As you know that I have also reviewed a lot of videos of the Zeerman indicators like breakout probability and the smart money concepts of the Zeerman. So this author is doing very good like Lux Algo, but in fact I can say that this is much and far better than the Lux Algo author, but this is doing a great job. So that definitely we should appreciate such type of authors on TradingView. So I'm going to attach this indicator on my screen and you will be simply amazed that previously, like when we are going to use the MACD on our TradingView, then you will see that it will be providing us signals based on here, but right now there is no need because these signals are coming in front of your screen and they are very accurate, like you can see on the screen. Okay, so as I can show you that there are two lines by which you can do trading. So one is the yellow line, the other one is the blue line, right? So I'm going to explain the role of these two lines in this video. Okay, so guys, you can use this MACD indicator for scalping, for swing trading. If you are a scalper, you should consult the 5-minute time frame, 3-minute, and if you are going to do the day trading, then you can consult 15-minute. However, the 30-minute and the 1 hour chart is always stays the best if you are a very long-term trader. Okay, now we will talk about the entry rules of this indicator. So guys, how to use this one, because this is quite important. Okay, first of all, by trading any chart, you will make a trend line like this, that what's going on. So if I make the trend line, the basic rule of the trend line, like I have explained in my previous videos, that you should at least you need to combine two parts, 2 points on one trend line. At least the three will be much better, but it's not important. If you have a 2 points, like 1 point is here, second point is here, this makes you a proper trend line. So first of all, if we look at this market, then it's a very clear signal that we are going down. Okay, so when we are going down, so definitely it means that we need to keep an eye on the yellow line. If the yellow line crosses the blue line and yellow line comes up, this is the sell signal. You can see that was the valid trade, the price simply gone down. So here we have a bullish crossover. You will not trade that one, because you can see this long bullish candle that crossed the yellow line, but we are not going, because the trend line is going to help you that I am going down. Okay, again this blue line comes down and yellow lines come above, again your entry becomes valid and you can again take a chance. Again you can see the blue crosses the yellow, we should not take that trade, and again in the next sell crossover happens, we can take the trade, but right now this is a no trade case at the moment. Okay, so this is the super strategy that is working anywhere, because you know that MACD is a very good indicator. So for example, right now, what is the cross? This is the bearish cross, and if I make the trend line here on the gold chart, so what is the trend? At least by combining the two parts of the chart, that's a valid downward trend. So it means that we can take a sell position from here. So for example, if you are going to take a sell position from here, you will set up a stop loss at the previous high of the market, and then you can target at least 1:1, or the second thing that you can do is the 1:5. Otherwise you can also use the trailing method. This can be the possible trade as per the trend line and MACD. So the MACD crossover hours are very good and they are much reliable. I can show you the other pairs. So for example, this is the bearish crossover because yellow is above. So just consider the yellow one, that if the yellow is at the top, it means that you are into the downtrend. If the yellow comes down, it means that you are into the uptrend. Now you can see guys, if you just add your own technical analysis, if you just use your little bit common sense, then guys, trust me, this is far easy to trade. Like on the 5-minute Euro USD, you can see yellow comes above, the bearish trend started, and then you can see long way it's down. Bullish, no, we will not trade because as per the trend line, we are going down. Again, you can see that yellow is up. It means that the downtrend is still valid. So simple strategy, no stress, simple way to trade. This is the beauty of the FX Mentor, that it is providing you the simple strategies that you can trade, and this is very easy for the beginners, and also the professional traders can follow this trading strategy. So guys, if you like this trading strategy, then please press the like button, subscribe FX Mentor US, share the videos, and those subscribers who are willing to book their price action coaching sessions with me, they can come to inbox. You can contact on Telegram. The links are given in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.